because I have a package here that just arrived from Japan and I have the right tools to open it. Most likely, you, very nerd, geeky person, is going to know all of them. So I'll give you some time to just guess what it is before I open it. Yay, it's open. Well packaged, protected with tons of these. So let's have a look. This one is quite classic. Shinji's one. Looks awesome. Lots of blood involved. Then we follow up with have a number 2, Asuka. Which one is this one? Just a cool pose. Another one of Asuka, Eva 02. Seems it's quite articulate. I love it. So detailed. It's Unit 5. Evangelion. Next up, oh, this one. I was really looking forward to this one. Very nice. Let me skip the order to get another pink one. So it has different guns that you can choose from. Unit 0, Ray. This one is nice. When Unit 2 goes beast mode. Just to remember that episode. And something that's not Evangelion related, but it has to do with some that we have here. We have another Buddhist touch to the collection. Guess we have to open it to show you better. It's going to accompany the others. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.